Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop your losses, aka stop loss on FxPro. So right now we are here on the web terminal and it's quite simple, but you will see a lot of information right now. So maybe that is a little bit confusing, but let's close almost everything, except the chart. So now we have the chart right here. If you want to change the symbol, click right there. But if you want to stop loss, you just click here on the plus icon, order entry, and then right now select your sell or buy. So sell is short and buy is long. And then after that, we can click on stop loss. And then you can fill in right here the pips, the estimated price and the estimated loss. And then click here on buy right there. So now, trading is disabled because the market is closed. But this is how you can stop your loss on FxPro. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.